I am Dr. Rebecca Bradley, and I'm one of the OBGYNs at Physicians for Women at National Park Medical Center. So I did medical school at Lincoln Memorial University, which is north of Knoxville, Tennessee, and I did residency at Newark Beth Israel Medical Center in Newark, New Jersey for OBGYN specifically. And then me and my husband wanted to move somewhere closer to our families and out of the Northeast. And so we moved to Arkansas, where I actually did my medical school training in Fort Smith. So that's how we knew about Hot Springs. I actually originally thought that I wanted to go into pediatrics. And then when I was in medical school, I did my OBGYN rotation, and I was just fascinated by what the female body could do by, growing a baby and going through labor. And it really just put me in awe of women in general and what our bodies are capable of. And the more and more I kind of explored that, the more I really wanted to help people through those transitions and those kind of body changes throughout their lives. And I really felt that pull towards empowering women to know about their bodies and take control of their bodies and their health. Well, we are specifically minimally invasive trained, and so we do a lot of laparoscopic surgery. Most of the procedures that I do, I at least try and do laparoscopically first to minimize the risk for complications. It decreases the risk for longer hospital stays. The recovery is generally a lot better from minimally invasive and laparoscopic surgeries. And so that's something that I'm really interested in, and something that we were trained in residency as well. I love OBGYN because I get to work with patients from when they're very young and they first start having their menstrual periods to going through and getting their first pap smear, having their babies, which is really my favorite part of OBGYN, but I love all aspects of it. And then after people have their babies, we get to complete their gynecologic care through menopause and any bleeding issues and surgical things that may pop up as we get a little bit older. And so we really get the full gamut of women's health.